Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. This Linux tip covers the alias command and explains why it's such a time saver, especially if you're someone who has to run very complex Linux commands. For example, here's a command. This is not complex, but I want to turn this command into an alias so that whenever I want to run it, all I have to type is my prox. So set up the alias like this and then run it. And again, you see it shows all the processes running under my username, which is SHS. Now, once I set up an alias, I'm probably going to run a command like this to just add that alias to my bashrc file so that next time I log in, I can use the command again and it'll always be available until I edit my bashrc file. So if you want to create a new alias, don't forget to add it to your file so that you can use it and save time again and again. And if you want to list your aliases, just use the alias command. I'm just going to list the first three that are defined in my account, and you can see I have three of those. The first one shows the date and time in Japanese time, like that. Anyway, that is your Linux tip for the alias command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.